Hi, this recording is instructional. It'll tell you how to use the study machine in order to learn to write Chinese characters. First thing you're going to do, of course, is to log in. And it brings you to the screen. If you are new and you hit click here, it's going to say you need to turn on some word lists. You haven't turned any on yet. Another note, if you want to make this writing, the font, smaller or larger on Firefox, you can just hit Control plus or Control minus, and on Explorer you can go to View, Text Size, Largest, Larger, whatever you want to do. And so right now we're going to start with Choose Lists and Set Goals. Remember, we're going to just be studying how to write Chinese characters. You can see all these lists are turned off right now. There's two for writing Chinese. One list says Write Chinese 3000. It is 3000 of the most used simplified Chinese characters. That's a great way to do it. And then this one is Daxie. You probably won't want that. These are accounting characters. The reason Chinese accounting uses different characters than you would normally write with is the same reason that we in America, we write the full name of the number when we write a check. Because if you have a 1 when you're writing in Chinese, it's very easy to change to a 2. So you could owe someone 200 instead of 100 renminbi. So I'm going to go ahead and turn this one on. Turn on. And I would suggest maybe 5 or 10, practice 5 or 10 a day. This right here, that is how many you're going to have to practice and get correct every day. So turn lists on and off. That can take some time depending on how large the vocab list is. That one only has 3,000, so it's not going to be very long. Let's go back to word lists also. I'll show you one more thing. That's a priority here. 1, it goes up to 15. So if I am studying and I have several word lists that I've turned on, if I do 1 here, that one I'll do first, and I complete that one first before I go to the next one. So right now we're set to study 10 a day. We're set to study 10 a day, the first thing we do. And we'll go back to studying. So I click there, and it tells me the pinyin, which is Li, and shows me the meaning. What I'm supposed to do right now is to get out a sheet of paper and write down what I think is the correct response to this. Once I've figured that out, and once I've written it down, I push J. And then I can check here what I've done on my piece of paper and check it with this and see if I've done it correctly. Now, if I don't know how to write this Chinese character, if I don't know the stroke order, I can go to the FAQ, open either one of these websites. These are both hosted in China, and they will tell you how to write a character. So I just go to this character here, highlight it, and copy it. And if I go here, I just put it in this search box here, paste it here, and search. And this one I would paste here, and again search. So that'll show me Li. Sorry, I pronounced that wrong. It's Li. And here we go. It shows me this, and this will tell me the stroke order. So I just click it here, and if I want to see the whole thing written out, I just go like that. So you do the horizontal line first, then this one. And if I want to do it one by one, then I hit this button here. And if I want to see that stroke again, just do that. And if I want to see the next step, then I just hit that. And now we're back here. I'm going to close this FAQ. And now that I've seen if what I've written is the same as this and the stroke order is correct and everything, I just hit yes or no. I can hit Y or N on my keyboard, or I can click either one of these. And I'm going to say yes, I knew that. Now it gives me the next one, Sh, which is to set up a range. And then, just keep going with that. And sometimes these have sounds, sometimes they don't. I haven't gotten around to recording all the sounds. And you just go on like that. Now, you can see over here, or should be able to see, that it says due today is -10. So what I want to do is I want to work until I get that down to 0. And when it's 0, it'll turn green. So I'm going to say, no, I did not know how to do this one. And there we go. And now this says -9. It'll keep counting for me. The idea is that you study 10 of these a day. You might spend 5 or 10 minutes on this, but in the course of a year, when you only study just a few a day and you review a few that you've already gotten correctly, and you review the ones that you know quicker, you review those less. The ones that are harder for you to get, you're going to review those more. This system is just set up to work that way. Then over the course of the year, if you work every day or 3 or 5 times a week, then by the end of the year, you're going to know how to write several hundred, if not 1,000 Chinese characters. And it's only with a few minutes a day, and you're going to remember every single one of them. So that's the advantage of using a system like this, which is a Littner card file system. Anyway, hope you use it. Hope you like it.